In today's video, I will teach you all how to recreate these gorgeous structured embellishments that we have going on this dress made by a fashion designer called Somo by Somo. One thing about me is I will come with designs from fashion designers from my home country, Nigeria. I'm a proudly Nigerian babe, and my fashion designers from my home country are making me so happy. Let's get straight into today's video. For that embellishment, you need your broken glass bead or cut beads. You also need your copper wire, either the size 0.30mm or 0.50mm. You also need a stronger copper wire, the 0.70 or 90mm copper wire would do. You would also need something like a fabric cord. It's called a paracord or a rhinestone cord. For the sake of today's video, I'm using the rhinestone cord. I've gone ahead to insert my 0.70mm copper wire into my rhinestone cord. You can use the fabric cord again or the paracord. Feel free to take a picture of what you have on your screen, take it to your sewing accessories shop and ask your vendor to sell you a cord. What I'm also doing here is I'm inserting some beads into my 0.50mm copper wire. For this work, I believe that the 0.30mm copper wire will be best for this one. It's slimmer and you'll be able to insert these tiny beads into that size of copper wire. It's faster and easier that way. So what I'm doing here is I'm just inserting my cut beads into my 0.50mm copper wire. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, welcome. My name is Funmibi Olawore. I am a fashion enthusiast based in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I moved to Canada in 2023, and when I was in Nigeria, I used to share a lot of tutorials on here on the channel. You can go through my page to see all my videos, but I still continued in this line of work. I come on here weekly to share videos relating to beading and embellishment on this channel. If you're not subscribed, I would love to have you as a member of this community. Please hit the subscribe button, like the video that you're watching currently, and feel free to share the video with your friends. Don't hesitate to drop your comments as well in the comment section if you have any form of feedback for me. I went ahead to also mix in another color of broken glass bead. I'm using this clear silver beads. You can mix as many colors as you like together. This is just to allow us know that there's no limits when it comes to creativity. It all depends on the end result that you're going for. So all I'm doing is I'm still using that same copper wire that I used to pick up the blue beads. I'm using it to also pick up these silver beads. After picking up the quantity of beads that I was happy with for the sake of today's tutorial, I went ahead to secure the edge of my copper wire by just twisting it around this rhinestone cord, and I also twisted the other end because you know the wire will have two ends, right? I twisted the other end of the copper wire and I will show you guys what it looks like. That way the beads that I've inserted into the copper wire will not just pour out. So depending on the complexity of the design that you're trying to create, make your wire as long or as short as you like. Just because this is just a tutorial to help us know how to recreate something like the inspiration for today's video, I didn't allow my wire to be too long. So after creating the length of the wire that I was happy with, I started twisting it around my rhinestone cord. I feel like this rhinestone cord on its own is a nice embellishment, so this is me just kind of wasting it for the sake of today's tutorial. But if you're a fashion designer, buy the fabric cord. People in this line of work would know what I'm talking about. It's just like a rhinestone cord, right? But without the rhinestone, it's just made of fabric. When you walk into your sewing accessories shop, those people will be able to point you in the right direction. So this is me just twisting that bead that I inserted into my copper wire around my cord. That's what is going to create that structured design that you saw on that dress. You can now bend it and create as many pieces as you like in order to create a structured kind of embellishment similar to the one that Somo by Somo used for that beautiful outfit on that gorgeous bride. I hope we all found this tutorial very useful. Feel free to let me know if you have questions in the comment section. If you got value from this video, the comment for today is value. Comment value so I know you enjoyed today's tutorial. I'm just going to speed up this process, show you how I'm twisting it, and then show you the end result. Also, the copper wire that I inserted into the rhinestone cord is to allow for structure. It will allow me be able to twist this rhinestone cord into different shapes and allow it stay stable. If I did not put that copper wire into the rhinestone cord, when I fold it, it will just snap on its own and become straight again. But with the copper wire inside the rhinestone cord, I can create any shape that I like out of the cord that I'm using. So imagine when you even use a fabric cord, by the time you insert the copper wire into that cord, you'll be able to twist that fabric cord or paracord now. I keep calling it different names, but you guys get the gist. I'll be able to twist it to any shape that I like and use it to embellish my outfit. Someone can come on here and say, Fumbi, how much should I charge when it comes to creating this style of embellishments on an outfit? Guys, charge your worth. Don't be charging nonsense. I saw a comment recently, and I'm going to talk more about pricing in a different video, but don't charge rubbish. And when I say charge rubbish, is when you're undercharging and then you end up spending so much time, so much energy, so much money, and you're not making returns. You are running a business, not a charity. Make sure that whatever you're charging your customer, first of all, make sure that you're providing quality work to your customers. Don't do nonsense and be charging them big money. Provide quality work and charge accordingly. Like I said before, today is not the day for talking about pricing. This is the end result of today's video, very straight to the point. Fold or twist your copper wire or your beaded copper wire, twist it around your fabric as well as you like and create something fabulous. Thank you for watching today's video. I can't wait to see you in another one very, very soon. Bye.